Okay, racing south, my buddy Mike Mez, here with his workshop, called me to make sure I knew there's a lot of dust coming up from the southeast by Marana. Hopefully it turns into something good today, because a nice surprise haboob today would be great. Now, I'm not gonna say surprise, but lately they've just not been so great. So we'll see how today turns out. Well, the dust is kind of okay, not that great. Very kind of hazy looking out there, and as you can see, there's no big wall. It's kind of just that area headed north, and that's usually not that great. I would like a wall coming at me right here, because that means it's kind of going towards Phoenix. That stuff is headed more north, and I doubt that it's going to be great. So I'm glad I'm down here. We've got a really pretty storm here, and dropped some big lightning bolts, hoping some more. The updraft on this side looks like it's got some blue up there in it, although it could just be my sunglasses, but I think that's about to go nuts and drop a big downburst, maybe some hail in that because of that color. Okay, we're moving west. I want to get in front of this line. You can kind of see a bunch of bases, and they're mostly kind of building to the west northwest, and I'm on the north side of it, and I want to be kind of the direction that they're going. So I'm gonna head west, find a spot, see what this does. I can already see rainfall on this. I think it's gonna be a pretty strong storm in there because of the way the base looks and the color with that blue up there. Really glad I got on this side. This is looking wild here. I don't know what's going on, but very cool looking storm. Well, I really want a time lapse here, but it's already drops hitting the ground. So we'll see how long I can go before raindrops hit the lens, but hoping for like maybe a nice lightning bolt here. Very strong looking storm for sure. It was angry looking base there. Now it's just dropping right now. It's going to be a big old downburst. I would love to be maybe a little further away, but this is where I'm at right now. We may have to move because here comes the rain. It is dumping right here. Probably going to go severe, I would think. The core of this is strong. I could just tell looking at the base how gnarly it looked, and now you can just see kind of white rain. I bet there's hail coming down out of that, a little bit of hail. Probably strong winds. Going to be interesting to see what this does. Well, there we go. Looks really, really good. Sadly, I've not had any good lightning strikes with this. It'd be really nice if I did, because that little guy over there is dropping them. Maybe this will do it. But this is gorgeous, just gorgeous. It's actually kind of above me if I look up where the downburst is happening. So I have a feeling we'll have to get out of here fairly quick. But the rain did stop, and so now we're just time-lapsing this, and it's great. Nice, big, close downburst time-lapse, love it. What I wouldn't give for a bolt with this composition in this tree right here. Oh, so sad. It's flashed a bunch. I just don't think I've seen any. It's too heavy of a core. Need one to come out in front, I guess. This is awesome though. Wow. You can see the rain going by there. Now it's really starting to hear the rain now. This is probably the last bit, and I'm gonna have to go. Fantastic. Dust getting kicked up from the storm we were just on. Wild. All right, a little further away. Looks really good. There was some lightning dropping, a lot of lightning on radar. But nothing that I've seen yet. I might have seen a couple when I was driving away, but so hopefully we get a nice big one here. This is pretty. Probably should be time-lapsing it, but I don't like the power lines right there. But not sure I want to get too much further away. Good dust out there. There's dust out there. I just don't believe in it. I just don't believe in it. All right, we went west to Beagle Road and watching this stuff come in. Well, this storm's dropping a ton of lightning. Kind of want to get closer, but now I'm just sitting here because it's getting closer to me. I moved south as far as I could go. Dropping some bolts right in there. Nice darker background, so I caught one shot, one camera aimed there. This is brighter, but this is where most of them have been dropping, so it's a little bit annoying because I really would like them to be in the dark area. But it looks like it's about to just dump right here. We'll move back up the road and probably be able to shoot more once this hits us here, but I'm surprised there's not anything really good right here happening yet, but there'll probably be some big bolts shortly. Rain is feeling real close. I think we're gonna have to leave. Begging for a good bolt there. I think I've gotten a few with that composition, but I would love just a monster. There's an actual rainbow that you can see, and with the Saguaro. Well, a couple of close bolts, so we moved. They're hitting the mountains there, where I was a little bit ago. Very, very cool. Really need them over there. But this is nice right here, so we'll see what happens. Nice lightning show here. I'm hoping it's building towards us and just gets closer and we get just bolts hitting those mountains in front of that stuff. No way to get down there right now. Oh. So we are sitting pretty. Hoping it builds this way. It really does look like it's trying to. We might get some epic later, so it looks really good. Got a cell kind of popping just over my head. Flashing right here, so I got a wide angle aimed east in case it drops something really close. And then the storms are trying to get closer, but they're just not dropping lightning on this side of the mountain right now. But it's been a great show out there, so a few closer would be really nice. I think soon we'll bail east and see if I can get out by Stanfield and see if the stuff will come at me over there. I can see the rain falling right there. Could be a bolt here any second. I don't know. Might be rain too. Might have to pack up. Well, it's 1:30 in the morning. We're still going. Bolts are crazy. I've been so focused on all the lightning that I just haven't done a lot of video, but we are going to try to punch this storm and get to the other side for one last chance. The storm is kicking out some whoppers on the freeway here. Let's see if we can get through it. All right, last night was great. These are just some of my favorite pictures from the night. This one was right when I had to leave, when I said the bolts got close. You can see the top of that one, all the filaments. This shot misses probably at least half, if not 2/3 of the bolt, but beautiful foreground. Need to edit these. All of these need to be edited. Sunset, great, great night. Look at that, all the landing points from the mountains. If you know who Mike Meswell is, there's his car rental right there. Lovely landscape shots. And this is one of the other shots there where the right bolt went so far. I was just praying it made it in frame, but this is fantastic. Great night, great chase.